At the heart of the 2024, Yaris is a peppy four-cylinder engine, designed to deliver a balance of power and fuel economy. Don't expect neck-snapping acceleration, but the Yaris provides ample pep for city driving and merging onto the highway. Paired with either a manual or automatic transmission, the Yaris offers a smooth and responsive driving experience. But the real story here is fuel efficiency. The Yaris consistently earns high marks for its ability to sip fuel, making it an economical choice for daily commutes and long road trips alike. With rising gas prices, the Yaris's fuel efficiency is a welcome relief for budget-conscious drivers. Don't let the compact size fool you. The Yaris is surprisingly agile and fun to drive. Its responsive steering and well-tuned suspension make it easy to maneuver through tight city streets and winding back roads. While it's not designed to be a sports car, the Yaris handles corners with confidence, providing a stable and predictable ride. The Yaris's compact size also makes it a breeze to park, a major advantage in crowded urban environments. Its tight turning radius allows for easy maneuvering in tight spaces, making parallel parking a less daunting task.